galleries are very common in industrial plants, and these could be underground galleries or overground galleries, depending on the situation. And they're typically used to carry pipes or electrical cables from one point to the other across the plant. And this is what they typically would look like. So let me set the origin of interest somewhere over here, and so it's basically a gallery. And what you have is you have these cable raceways or pipe supports coming from the sides of the walls on which the pipes or the cables actually eventually run. Now, creating this, of course, is slightly time consuming depending on the geometry. But in Comosys, let me just delete this one which you see on the screen, and I'll show you this dedicated command for galleries. All you need to do is just select point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, and right click, and your gallery is created. If you double click on the gallery, you have complete control. Once again, you can modify the thickness, this width of the gallery. For example, so if I wanted the width of 1 meter, but then I wanted the second one to be 2 meters and then back to 1 meter, then I could just do that like that, and immediately this is 1 meter, this is 2. Let me just increase that a bit more so that it becomes more pronounced. Let's make it 3 meters. Yeah, so you can see it better on the screen now. So the gallery has widened in that area, and then it's narrowed once again. So this kind of control you have from there. You can obviously change the points around which it's anchored from those parameters. Using those parameters, you have complete geometric control, as you see, over the size of the gallery, etc. You even have these starting the widening of the gallery at the start, at the end, options to do that. It's very easy to see that doing this manually with 5 or 6 wall commands will be time consuming. So for example, if I were to go to the properties section, or to the properties section, and go to the chamfer part over here, I can say that give my point number 2 chamfer of 5,000, 5,000, and this you can give this inside part a chamfer. So sometimes you have this issue of the pipes or the cables cannot turn that easily through sharp corners. So you need to give them some sort of a chamfer for them to turn. So it's very easy to just create this. And the reason why I'm showing all this to you is to remove the fear which most people have of industrial plant concrete modeling. They think it's going to take a lot of time, but from what you're seeing on the screen, it's pretty obvious that with Comosys you can very quickly go through the modeling of the concrete.